In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can merge two tickets in one in Zendesk. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to zendesk.com and log in to your Zendesk account. Once you're inside your main dashboard, go to your left panel and click on Views. This is where you can see all your tickets right here on this account. Now, I have two of my tickets right here, which are both open. So let's open one. From here, you should see this icon right here. Once you click on it, there is an option on the drop-down menu that says merge into another ticket. So click that, and then you can either enter the ticket ID to merge into, or simply select one of the following tickets. So once you do that, click on continue merge, then confirm the merge. Wait for a few seconds, and that's it. Those two tickets are now merged and can be used simultaneously on Zendesk. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given on the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next video.